A recent discussion on Facebook had me thinking, why do I use wall hatching tool instead of drawing a polyline and filling it as a solid? So I thought I'd do a comparison of the two. Doug shared a screenshot of how he draws hatched walls with a polyline for what I'm assuming is like a wind bracing plan, possibly. Not exactly sure, but I thought I'd trace that plan and try this out for myself. Here's the plan. I'm just going to make some final adjustments, move the sketch to the side so I can compare and know which walls to hatch, and we'll get ready to go. So here I am doing it in wall hatching with the wall hatching tool. The wall hatching layer was not turned on, so I had to click turn on that layer. And I also noticed not just speed, but I also look at number of clicks and keyboard inputs I have to enter to do a task. With this, it's all my left mouse button. Click, drop it on the wall, and drag to move it. Select all of them, change it to a solid fill, and 33 seconds, I'm done. Now I'm going to delete all the wall hatches and get it going for a polyline. First I have to set it up to put on the correct layer, so that timer's got to start there, I figure. I'm going to put it on the wall hatching layer and start drawing. Now notice I do have to get close to eyeball the openings. Snaps help a lot, but I do have to do a lot of keyboard input with the number 3 to break the polylines. I am doing these demos in real time, as you can see with the timer. There's 33 seconds already. So each time I make a corner, I have to hit the number 3 key. So there's 1, 2 times I had to hit the number 3 key to break it, and then click 3 key, click to break, 3 key, click to break, click to drag, pull it over, eyeball. I do wonder if maybe I could do this faster if I had a wall type already set up, but I don't want to do wall types because it may show a different wall type on a different plan, that like electrical or something, or framing, that I don't necessarily need to do it. So 1 minute and 33, so a minute longer. And I would also point out that I was going very quickly, so one, I'm not consistent with where that snap was. On this side here, I covered the siding. On this side I didn't. On this side I covered the interior drywall. On this side I didn't. I didn't get all the way up to the door openings. Not bad for fast. Door and windows aren't fully covered there. Whereas like I'm just going to delete these real quick. A wall hatch, I do 1 click, double click, tab S, or click solid, done. It's really clean. It covers siding to drywall no matter what you do, and doors and windows are right up to the edge. Alright, that's been a fun little example. I think I'll stick with hatching. If you like polylines, more power to you. I'd be curious to see what you could do if you did a comparison. Let me know what you think. All right, take care.